Monday, December the 2nd, and I am now for the first time turning on QuickTime at home. What's a password? Okay, there we go. And now it's joining the Wi-Fi regularly as opposed to invalid password. Capital EX1100429 is the correct password, and it will not join. Okay. Join. There, it just joined and it changed. It was ticked off and then it changed. Hold on. Something is not right. Turn Wi-Fi on. Okay. Network name. Your password. That is my password. Right, and it will not accept the password, but it does come on there. It was ticked off previously. Okay, try again. Now, when I click on join, Wi-Fi comes on here. There, it's on. There, it's on. See that? And then it disconnects. Right? Cancel. And CPU for QuickTime is 29.2, more than everyone else. So it will not join Wi-Fi. Okay. Try one last time. EX1100429 is the password, and this does come on. Look, it comes on there. There, it's on. And then it turns off. All right. One more time. And I will do that. 5G. E. And then it disconnects. Okay. Try Cyber 2. Try cyber 2. Join, and there it is. There it is, connected. And then it drops it. Okay, invalid password. But it does join, but then it drops it. Okie dokie. So, cancel. And so QuickTime is at 26.8. Look at that. QuickTime is beautiful. No problem with QuickTime. What problem, you ask? Ain't no problem. No problem with QuickTime. And I'll let that go. Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. Oh, I should not be singing. I am being recorded. No singing. No singing when one is being recorded. Right, and I'm on the phone right now. And did you hear that ding? Hello computer, did you hear that ding? That ding is from the phone. The phone just connected to the Wi-Fi at home. So here's what I'm gonna do. This is what I'm gonna do. Oh, did you hear that ding, computer? That's the phone. I just got a message, missed call. Okay, so hold on, that was at 7:14, missed call. So 7:14 p.m. My SSED calls here on the phone. Oh, and did you hear that again, computer? There's another something from YouTube, but not email notification for when I'm posting online. All right, those are my flipboards. So I'm going to take a screenshot of it now. All right, those are flipboard notifications. So I am going to do that and hold on un momento. Un momento, please. So I'm going to go